Welcome back to another delicious episode here at Forever Acres Kitchen. Today we're making Jersey Mike's Copycat Chipotle Chicken Phillies. Oh yeah, check it out. All right, so I am using Costco's pre-made, pre-cooked rotisserie chicken breast that they have there. This is almost 3 pounds of meat. If you saw my buffalo chicken empanadas, I used the same thing there. So this is such a great deal. It makes things so much easier. So the first thing I want to do though is I do want to break it up a little bit more. And then I'm also going to season it some with paprika, cumin, garlic powder, some pepper, and a little bit of salt. So let's get that done. All right, so now that it's all broken up, we are going to season it. I'm going to use some paprika. You figure about 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cumin. Cumin always gives that great smoky herbal flavor. I love cumin in meats. And then of course my favorite, roasted garlic. And then finish it off with some pepper. Then just toss that around. Get it nicely seasoned. Get it all incorporated. All right, now we're gonna put this in the fridge. And while this is in the fridge, let's go ahead and make our Chipotle Mayo. All right, so now we're gonna make the Chipotle Mayo. We're gonna use 1 cup of mayonnaise. Hellmans, of course. Not gonna argue with you, it's Hellmans. 2 tablespoons of the Chipotle sauce. Now you can use the Chipotle and then just grind it up, but I like you just using the Chipotle sauce from the can. And that's 2 tablespoons of that. It's gonna give some nice flavor and kick. Start stirring, then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Some paprika, just for added smokiness and flavor. A bit of salt, juice of 1 lime, and then stir it all up. All right, so we got the mayo done. Chicken's ready to go. Now it's time to cut up the vegetables, and then we'll take this party outside. All right, now it's time to put in the bread. I went ahead and sprayed it with some duck fat. Oh yeah, let's get it on the grill. Get that toasting up. There you go, get it nice and crispy. Sprinkle the vegetables with some of that sazon tropical. Oh yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get ready to build one. I'll show you how to build one. Get your veggies. Line them up like so. Oh yeah, get that chicken on there. I'm gonna go ahead with the cheese. I'm using the Mexican blend. All that cheese on top. Just like that. All right, now you got that cheese. Go ahead and cover it up. Get that cheese melted. Mix it up some. Get that cheese all incorporated. Look at that. All right, get you that bread. Get you the Chipotle Mayo. Go ahead and get that Chipotle Mayo on the bread. Oh yeah. Go ahead and squirt some on there too. Why not? Ooh-wee! Look at that. Oh yeah, let's get a taste of that. Oh man, look at that. That's so good, y'all. That Chipotle, so good. That Chipotle Mayo just hits. Your next tailgate, make sure that's on the menu. Till next time, eat well, my friends. Eat well.